Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Thinkific AI for quiz feedback automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Thinkific AI for quiz feedback automation, begin by logging into your Thinkific account. Navigate to the admin dashboard from your account homepage. In the left sidebar, select the Courses option. Choose the course for which you want to set up quiz feedback automation. Once inside the course, click on the Quizzes tab. If you haven't created a quiz yet, do so by clicking New Quiz. After your quiz is set up, open the quiz settings. Look for the feedback section within the quiz settings. Enable the option for automated feedback for quiz responses. Next, you'll integrate the AI feedback feature. Select the type of feedback you want to provide: correct answers, common mistakes, or personalized comments. To customize the feedback, click on each quiz question. Input the feedback for each answer option, focusing on clarity and insight. Once you finish inputting the feedback, preview the quiz to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Return to the quiz settings menu and finalize any remaining configurations. Save your changes and exit the quiz settings. To test the automation, take a quiz yourself and review the feedback you receive. Adjust any feedback as needed based on your test experience. Your Thinkific AI for quiz feedback automation is now configured and ready to enhance learner engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.